Every little patch of soil around the house is a treasure, giving us something fresh to cook. See this drumstick tree standing tall with fresh, tender moringa leaves. Look at these turmeric plants standing in a neat row. Brinjal plants. Curry leaves. Banana plants and their broad green leaves swaying. And see lots of saplings. See this heavy bunch of bananas sag gently under their own weight. And then there is Nendra banana, papaya plants, chillies. Nothing gets wasted. The roots, stems, leaves, flowers, and even the water from the cooked rice find a place in the kitchen. Then have you heard of this Shangu Pushpam, Aparajita flower? It comes in deep blue color and white color, and this is used for making natural food coloring. Also, they make herbal tea out of it. Meals change with the season and the flavors come straight from the land, fresh and pure. Today's dish is a simple dish. Chembin Thandu stew, taro root, taro stems, Colcasia stems with sweet potato, stew or curry. Let's unpack this. See how tender it is. Whenever I visit my hometown, I love bringing back all these treasures. We will remove the fibrous outer skin from the stems and cut them into half-inch pieces. It is very tender and the skin is just coming out. We will peel and cut all of them. Let's wash them well, and there is a little bit of few fine mist, so we need to wash it thoroughly. Now the sweet potato, we will remove the skin, wash them and cut them into small pieces. Once the sweet potatoes are harvested, what they do is they keep them aside for a few days. So with the touch of this sunlight, their natural starch slowly turns into sugar, bringing out that gentle earthy sweetness. Sweet potatoes are so good for health, and in our hometown we simply throw them into the firewood embers, let them roast slowly and enjoy their natural sweetness. We will wash it a few times before cooking. Now let's boil the sweet potato. We will add 1 onion slices, 2 or 3 green chilies as per your spice level. Now I have strained the cooked rice and let us keep this kanji water ready. Sweet potatoes are cooked now. Let us add the onion and green chilies and cook for few more minutes. Adding rock salt, now we will add the sliced Chembin Thandu or Taro Stems. Now I'm adding the kanji or boiled rice water. Maybe I'm adding, I think, about a cup, or you can add little more, whatever you wish to. It should not be very thick, it should be little watery. This Chembin Thandu or taro root stems we can buy it from a Mangalore store. Finally, I am adding curry leaves and coconut oil. Now our tasty Chembin Thandu stew is ready. Enjoy it with hot rice, soft appam, or simply by itself for a light and comforting meal. Look at this. I have switched off the stove and it is still boiling. That's the magic of a mud pot. It holds the heat and keeps the food cooking gently. Have you ever seen this vegetable? It looks like capsicum, but it's not. Can you guess what it is? Let me know in the comments.